Imagine cats doing your job, cooking dinner, or running a business. With Ideogram and Vidu, creating these hilarious shareable cat videos takes minutes. Let's unlock the prompting secrets. Cats performing human tasks tap into universal humor. Combined with video generation, these videos explode on social media. The novelty of animated cats doing everyday activities creates instant engagement. Creators are using Video to transform Ideogram cat artwork into animated videos, capturing millions of views. It's the perfect blend of cute, creative, and cutting edge. Start with specific character details: cat in business suit, type into desk, serious expression, office background. Use descriptive adjectives: majestic, photorealistic, cinematic. Include style references like Pixar style or 3D rendered. Layer emotions and actions for maximum impact. Test variations rapidly. The more vivid your ideogram prompt, the better Vidu translates it into animation. Upload your ideogram cat images into Vidu. Use action-focused prompts: cat gracefully cooking pasta, movement smooth and comedic. Specify duration, camera angle, and lighting. Vidu converts static images into dynamic videos with realistic motion. Add trending audio in post-production. These videos typically generate 10x more engagement than static art alone. Try these: cat CEO presenting to board meeting, cat astronaut floating in space, cat chef perfecting floating in space, cat chef perfecting emotional reactions, humor, awe, relatability. Combine trending sounds with these videos, share across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts for maximum viral potential and rapid audience growth. Subscribe for more art and animation tutorials. Like this video and comment your favorite cat prompt idea. We'll feature the best ones.